Erica, good evening. So far, only a handful of inmates have gotten one of these special get out of jail hearings, but that number could soon grow into the hundreds.
All right.
Deshaun Lawrence walked out of the courthouse after spending 2 weeks locked up in jail on drug charges.
It was very, very stressful, very painful.
Lawrence can't afford an attorney on his own, and the state has been unable to find him one. That's because for several weeks, all of the private attorneys who normally take such cases are refusing to do so. They say the state is not paying them enough.
There's an email that goes out every day saying these are the open cases in custody, these are the people that need lawyers. We're not getting any responses to that, but we keep doing it.
Last week, a judge on the state's highest court ordered anyone still without a lawyer after 7 days must be released from jail, and after 45 days, their case must at least temporarily be dismissed. The state also directly employs some public defenders, and they are still working, but say without the private attorney's help, they can only handle cases of people accused of more serious crimes.
We are saving space for the important cases. If a court brings in a person and we say we didn't think that was a priority, but if you're telling us it is and we can take it, we can take that.
For now, Deshaun Lawrence is free, but still facing charges, and he might still not have a lawyer when he returns to court later this month.
I went to court and I didn't have a legal aid by my side, and they still brought me into court, which I could have sworn is a violation of the Constitution.
As of right now, these release hearings are only happening here in Suffolk County. On Wednesday, they'll also start in Middlesex County, and they could soon go statewide if these court-paid attorneys don't agree to go back to work. Live in Boston, David Bieniek, WCVB News Center 5.